Los Angeles is home to some of the world's most lavish homes, and developer Ramtin Ray Nasrati is responsible for building several of the city's most extravagant properties. The most recent opulent home he sold is a $44 million property in Los Angeles' exclusive Brentwood neighborhood called the Brentwood Oasis. The Palatial estate is a gated compound that spans more than 1.2 acres. It has 30,000 square feet of outdoor space, 18,000 square feet of indoor space. There are 7 bedrooms, 11 bathrooms, 3 rooftop decks, gourmet appliances, and even a built-in private security group to ensure the utmost privacy and safety. The organic modern home uses contemporary design and furnishings with verdant landscaping and outdoor features. The amenities are nothing short of insane. There are several sports-related features, perfect for the buyer Feinberg, who is a longtime basketball fan, including a half basketball court, a TV wall with room for 9 screens, a gym, 3-hole putting green, a sports simulator room, and indoor and outdoor pools. There are even nods to basketball legends throughout the home, including LeBron James, Kobe Bryant, Magic Johnson, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, Dr. J, and Michael Jordan. Most impressive is the 10-car showroom with floor-to-ceiling glass walls and gorgeous lighting, which illuminate an entire car collection. The showroom opens to the driveway, which includes several water features and palm trees. The home also features an office, bar, hair salon, spa with a couple's massage room, and a 1,000-gallon aquarium. Next to the main house is a 2-story guest home with a Rolls-Royce-inspired movie theater with a fiber optic starlight ceiling. It's possible you'll never have to leave your compound for basic needs, considering there is also an edible rooftop vegetable garden and even a rooftop bar. There is also an indoor living wall with a succulent and cacti garden. The home is one of the most expensive to have recently sold in the area. Hedge fund executive Jeffrey Feinberg purchased the home. Feinberg is known for his love of immodest homes. Back in late 2019, he famously made waves by selling his $15 million Hidden Hills mansion to YouTube celebrity Jeffree Star.